Welcome to Lok Satta Yashasvi Bhava. In this session, we will discuss board pattern of question papers and how to write the answers of these questions. Question 1. Find the arithmetic mean of 6 and 8. So, A is equal to 6 plus 8 upon 2, 14 upon 2 is equal to 7. So, answer is 7. Question 2. Solve the quadratic equation x square plus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. So we have to find the two numbers whose multiplication is 12 and addition is 7. These two numbers are 3 and 4. So x plus 3, one bracket, x plus 4, another bracket is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 3 is equal to 0 or x plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to minus 4. Question 3. Solve the following simultaneous equations using Cramer's rule. X 3x plus 2y plus 11 is equal to 0 and 7x minus 4y is equal to 9. Now 3x plus 2y is equal to minus 11. This is equation number 1, and 7x minus 4y is equal to 9. This is equation number 2. Now let us go for determinant. So D is equal to 3, 2, 7 minus 4. After solving this, we will get 3 into minus 4 minus 12, 7 into 2 14 with minus sign minus 14. So minus 12 minus 14 is minus 26. Let us calculate dx. Dx is equal to minus 11 to 9 minus 4. After solving this, we will get 44 minus 18, which is nothing but equal to 26. Now let us calculate the value of dy. Dy is equal to 3 minus 11, 7, 9. After solving this, we will get 27 plus 77, which is nothing but equal to 104. Now let us calculate the value of x. By Cramer's rules, x is equal to dx upon d, which is nothing but equal to 26 upon minus 26, which is nothing but equal to minus 1. Y is equal to dy upon d, which is nothing but equal to 104 upon minus 26 is equal to minus 4. So x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to minus 4 is the solution of the given simultaneous equation. Question 4. A card is drawn at random from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. Find the probability that the card drawn A bears a number between 4 and 7, both inclusive. B bears a number between 3 and 8, both inclusive. So let us go for first part A. One card can be drawn out of 52 cards in 52 ways. So number of sample point is 52. Let A be the event that the card drawn bears a number between 4 and 7, both inclusive. So there are in all 4 into 4 16 cards bearing numbers 4 to 7. So number of sample point A is 16. So probability of event A is equal to n of A upon n of S is equal to 16 upon 52 is equal to 4 upon 30. Part B of this example. Let B be the event that the card drawn bears a number between 3 to 8, both inclusive. So there are in all 6 into 4 24 cards bearing numbers 3 to 8. So number of total sample point is equal to 24. So probability of event B is equal to n of B divided by n of S is equal to 24 upon 52, in short 6 upon 30. Let us go for question 5. A boat takes 6 hours to travel 8 km upstream and 32 km downstream, and it takes 7 hours to travel 20 km upstream and 16 km downstream. Find the speed of the boat in still water and the speed of the stream. Now let the speed of the boat be x km per hour and speed of the stream be y km per hour. In the downstream, speed of the boat will be, we have to add both the speeds, so it becomes x plus y km per hour, and in the upstream, speed of the boat will be x minus y kilometers per hour. Using the formula, time is equal to distance upon speed. From the first condition, we get following equation: 8 upon x minus y plus 32 upon x plus y is equal to 6, equation number 1. And from the second condition, we get 20 upon x minus y plus 16 upon x plus y is equal to 7, equation number 2. Now we know the method how to solve these two equations. After solving these two equations, we get the value of x is equal to 6 and value of y is equal to 2. So speed of the boat is 6 km per hour and speed of the steam is 2 km per hour. These are the answers of these questions. Friends, we have discussed some questions and answers in this particular section. In the next section, we will discuss few more questions and their answers.